LXP, an ideal choice for upgrading your grid-tied system, bringing dependable power to your home. Retrofit your existing grid system into a comprehensive energy storage solution. Multiple connection ports allow seamless integration with other energy devices. Compatible with lead-acid and lithium-ion battery, max charging and discharging current 70A. Equipped with an EPS output providing 3,600 watts for essential loads. Connect up to 16 units in parallel for expanded capacity. Enjoy full control and monitor your system effortlessly with our app. Various working modes help you save on electricity costs. Take advantage of weather optimization and octopus charging to make your energy storage smarter. LXP, your reliable solutions partner.